I am aware your soul is not divine. Shining now. Prepare for adventure with a whole new creature from the dark inside. Create, create. Even though I've only been watching for a few months, you're one of my top two favorite streams to watch because it's pretty chill here. And my other favorite, I've been watching for 4 years. That's a really kind-hearted message. I do like to just hang out here, have fun and stuff. Um, talk to you guys. It is my way of just getting stuff done in general. Because if I'm just on my own, if I'm just like working, I mean, especially in the NDA projects that I can't stream, right? Like, I will wake up, I will be like, all right, oh boy, I'm gonna like get so much work done today, and then I get like hardly anything done at all because I'm just sitting here because I'm like not even doing anything all day long. So yeah, streaming is really helping me just like get stuff done at all. Nice and chill here, the vibes aren't his way. Ba-da-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-da. Ba-ba-da.